Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common dock maintenance for your EUFY E20. This is a 3-in-1 combo vacuum. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So, we'll start with your dock mat right here. Just wipe this down every once in a while as needed. Very simple and straightforward, not much to it to clean and maintain that. We'll set that out of the way. Then looking at the station itself, we'll start at the top. This is where you're going to be able to swap out vacuum and dust bags. And you can use compressed air in here if you want to give that a deeper clean. And this channel right there is where all the contents will come up and out of. So you can always make sure that that's free from obstructions. But simple and straightforward up at the top to swap vacuum bags and give that a nice thorough clean as needed. On the side, you can keep an eye right here. If you ever notice any obstructions or debris, you can remove and clean that accordingly. Again, compressed air would be your friend. And then on the front side, where it does the self-empty, we have our channel right there. Again, make sure that that's free from any obstructions and debris. And same with the charging contacts. You can wipe everything down. And then underneath, if you ever have any of those obstructions, you can grab a Phillips head screwdriver. You got 3 screws to remove on this clear cover so you can see inside to identify the clogs, and you can give that a deeper clean if need be. But very simple and straightforward to take care of the station with your EUFY E20.